In this video, I'm going to be doing a Hostgator Professional Email review. I'll be going over what Hostgator Professional Email is, along with answering the questions, is Hostgator Professional Email worth it? Do you really need Hostgator Professional Email? By the end of this video, you should have a clear understanding of Hostgator Professional Email and whether or not it's worth having for your needs. I'll also be providing you with an exclusive Hostgator promo code that Hostgator has provided me with, so you can save some money on your Hostgator domain name and web hosting purchase. You will get up to 66% off Hostgator hosting, plus a free domain name for annual plans or a domain discount for non-annual plans. To take advantage of the Hostgator discount, just click the link in the description below and enter the promo code CUPID60 at checkout. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from Hostgator at no extra cost to you. Plus, you'll get an awesome Hostgator discount. Let's get started with the Hostgator Professional Email review. So what is Hostgator Professional Email? Professional Email is a Hostgator additional service or add-on that is offered by Hostgator when signing up with them. You can also add the Hostgator Professional Email add-on within the Hostgator dashboard after you've signed up with Hostgator if you want to get it at a later date. Hostgator Professional Email allows you to get a personalized email address ending in your domain name, in which you can use within Gmail through Google Workspace, along with productivity tools such as Calendar, Chat, Cloud Storage with Drive, Video Conferencing with Meet, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, Google Forms, Google Sites, Google Keep, Google Currents, App Script, and Cloud Search. I do want to mention that Hostgator does come with free email addresses that you can create in your domain name, so purchasing this professional email add-on isn't necessary to do that. The professional email add-on is really if you want Google to handle your custom email address, along with the security of your email ending in your domain name, along with all the Google Workspace tools working and syncing together all in one place. This add-on could be really beneficial if you have a team so that all these tools can be used and work together for productivity, tracking, and communication. Now let me go through each of the tools that Google Workspace includes so you can have a clear understanding of everything and make a decision on whether the professional email add-on is worth having or not based on your needs. I've already covered the email part, so I'm going to go straight to the other tools. The Calendars tool can be used to organize your schedule. You can also create shared calendars that anyone on your team can access, create invites for specific calendars. The Chat tool is a chat that you can use to chat with your team. It is an easy way to get a hold of them. Cloud Storage with Drive is you can save files, downloads, or whatever you like in the cloud so that it isn't taking up lots of space on your computer. Video Conferencing with Meet is a way for you to do video conferencing and live video interactions with your team, clients, and more. Google Docs is similar to Microsoft Word and is used to create docs, content, and more. Google Sheets is similar to Microsoft Excel, where you can utilize spreadsheets. Google Slides is where you can create slides for your company, presentations, clients, and more. Google Forms is where you can create forms to send out to your team, clients, and more. Google Sites can be useful to create team sites to share things like quarterly reports, events, promotions, and more. Google Keep is great for to-dos between team members or just for an individual. You can create to-dos, keep track of them, assign them to someone on your team, put deadlines in for them, and more. Google Currents is useful to communicate ideas and get feedback on them, maybe a product launch, new product, sales ideas, and more. App Script allows you to quickly and easily build business solutions that integrate, automate, and extend Google Workspace. You can build custom solutions, and they can be built with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. For example, you can build solutions to automate things that are time-consuming, tedious tasks, and more. The last tool I want to cover is Cloud Search. Cloud Search is an easy way to search across your company's content, anything from Gmail, things in the cloud storage, docs, sheets, slides, calendar, and more can be searched, brought up, and accessed to save you and your team time. You can search and find emails, contacts, search history, docs, sheets, presentations, helpful guides, and tutorials, and more. So in my opinion, is Hostgator Professional Email worth it? I would say it really isn't necessary unless you have a team in which you need helpful tools to communicate with each other improve productivity, and tracking of everything regarding your business. In this case, the Hostgator Professional Email add-on could be very beneficial and worth it. It's hard to give a yes or no answer to this, as everyone's needs are different and everyone's businesses are different sizes. I hope this Hostgator Professional Email review video helped you answer the question of whether you really need the Hostgator Professional Email add-on. If you haven't already, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more hosting video tutorials. Leave us a comment, we love hearing from you.